guys and gals, and welcome back to another episode of Gearheadgirl Garage, where today we're going to show you how to replace this thing. So this is the top of your shock, and let's see if you guys can see this. We've got our shock adjuster here, plastic shock adjuster, and you can stick it on there, and as you can see, it's not moving much. It's pretty much just rounding that up. And we tried the crescent trick too, where you put that on, but as you can kind of see, it's not moving. So we're going to show you how to take it out and how to replace it with a new one. So you can kind of see our shock back there. So our first step, of course, is going to be to jack up the car and remove the wheel. If you need a tutorial or a refresher on jacking up your car, please click the link above. Alright, so it's a good idea to use jack stands and shock front wheel for this job. And now you can see we've got access to our rear shock. Alright, so the top part that we looked at earlier, that comes down through here. And here's the working part of the shock, and then you just have this one bolt down here. So we're going to undo the nuts at the top, undo this bolt, and be able to remove our shock. So you're going to grab your 19 and remove these two nuts. This top nut here, and you can go ahead and loosen this one a little bit. I like to leave this one on until the bottom bolt is out so that it doesn't fall on me. Alright, I'm just going to leave that loosely threaded at the top and go and loosen the bolt on the bottom. Alright, so for the bolt on the bottom, you're going to want another 19 mil socket. So to keep our shock from going into full extension, we're just going to go ahead and provide a little bit of support with the jack. So coming down from the top, you can see there's where we've loosened it. And we're going to come down here, get our socket on, use our breaker bar, and loosen this. Alright, so once we've gotten it loosened with the breaker bar, we're going to go ahead and get a socket and get that bolt out. So now that we've got it loosened at the bottom, we're going to go ahead and remove the nut from the top. Alright, so now that we've removed the nut from the top, we're going to go ahead and finish taking out this bolt, being careful to hold on to the shock itself so it doesn't just drop. So we're going to be real careful. Slide that out. Now you can see our old shock here, so here's that bolt that we just undid, the 19 mil. The ones on the top, the nuts are 19 mil as well. And here's our problem of what's not actually moving. So now we've got a nice new shock, and we'll go ahead and get it installed. Alright, so we've got our bolt from the other one, and we'll be sliding that through there. Get our 19 mil socket. Alright, and from the top here, put on that piece and our 19 mil nuts. So you tighten down your block nut on top of it, and then you're all ready to go. Alright, so you can see here we've got everything nicely installed and ready to go. Just gotta put the wheel back on and you'll be all done. Alright guys and gals, so thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this episode, please hit like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys back for the next one. See ya. Be sure to hit the subscribe button and like and comment if you enjoyed this video. If you want to be awesome and provide support for better content, click on the Patreon link in the description below. Check us out online at gearheadgirl69.com or GHG69.com, or follow us on Instagram and TikTok at gearheadgirl69.